my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I will be showing you guys how to properly clean the aloe vera leaf. You know that I absolutely adore this plant. It transforms my skin every single time. This plant is just a miracle worker. It is good for your skin. It's great for your hair. It's just great for everything. I just love it so much. But I want to make sure you guys know how to properly clean it. It does contain poison. I know, poison, you guys, but it's really easy to get rid of. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'm going to make this introduction pretty short, so let's just hop on into it now, shall we?
Alrighty, so we're gonna jump right into how to properly clean the aloe vera leaf. You may notice that it looks a little dirty, and it might feel so as well. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the aloe vera leaf. We're gonna do so by applying some warm water to the plant. Just give it a good rinse, and you can also do a scrub as well with like a little silicone brush or whatnot. As you can see, I tried to remove the label here, but it just was not budging. So you know what, that's fine, we don't need it, we can avoid it. So just clean it as best as you can, the outside part. And now this is important. By the very root of the leaf, we want to cut that area. It should look white in color, and we're just gonna go ahead and chop that off. Alright, you guys, brace yourself, because I'm going to show you exactly what the latex looks like. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of latex peeking through, aka the yellow sap. Now watch this. I am taking a clean white paper towel and simply just dabbing it, and look, there it is, the latex. It might be very obvious in some cases, but it is very clear that it's bright and yellow. So what you want to do is take some clear water in a bowl. This is option one, honestly the easiest option, of just removing the root of the plant, chopping it off like you saw, and letting this soak in water for 30 minutes to 3 hours. You can even do overnight if you feel like it. Or you can opt for the second option, which is pretty much the same thing. You want to just chop this up into slices, thick slices, and then put this into a bowl of water. The whole goal here is to have the exposed parts of the plant soak into the clean water, and once it sits, it will therefore clean it and remove it of this yellow latex. The reason we want to properly clean the aloe vera leaf is because it provides two substances. One is the clear gel that we use in our DIY hair masks and our DIY face masks. The second substance is the latex, also referred to as the yellow sap. It's often used as a laxative that is taken orally, which helps with constipation. Now, with prolonged use and in large doses, this can be very unsafe and even fatal to the body, therefore being a poison. So, of course, this is orally. So for my purposes of using it as a face mask and a hair mask, it didn't pose much worry to me. However, when you know better, you do better. And if you're using the aloe vera leaf with prolonged uses, who knows what you're really having sink into your pores and things like that. So I highly recommend you cleaning it first, and it's very easy. As you can see, the second option is to just chop it up into thick slices, like I stated before, and then just putting it into the water. You can leave it in for as long as you'd like. I recommend at least 1 hour. Some people will let it sit for 3 hours or even overnight, whichever makes you feel comfortable. But the best way to know when it is clean is to just look at the water. The water will start off very clear, as you can see, and then as it sits over a long period of time, the water will change its color. It will look a little yellow and mucky, which is good because that is a sign that the latex is seeping out of the plant. And once it is done and you just give it one more good rinse and pat it dry, you will have a aloe vera leaf that is clean and ready for you to apply wherever you would like on your skin. And it just makes you feel a lot better because you do not have to worry about any poison seeping into anything or just having that worry in your head. As you can see, the water changed colors, which is a great sign, and this was after about 1 hour of it just sitting. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple, whether you do the first option of just cutting the base and letting it sit, or chopping it up in pieces, of course, making sure that base is also gone, and letting it sit in water. And now for the reveal. Look how clean our leaf looks. Now I'm taking a clean paper towel here, and as you can see, absolutely no latex is detected. We are good to go and ready to use this in our DIY masks. So if you guys want to see how I transform my skin within 1 week using the aloe vera plant, go ahead and click my previous videos. It will be on the screen and in the description box below. This plant, in my opinion, is perfect for so many skin types, and it works absolute miracles. So I hope you give this a try. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you shortly in my next video.